Long Island is still digging out from Saturday's storm.
It brought a record amount of snow in Suffolk County. Here is CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff.
Packed powder over ice, a recipe for a rough go in Suffolk County after a storm that dumped more than 2 feet of snow, Suffolk's second highest daily snowfall on record. Brook Nursery Drive in Brookhaven got its first snowplow pass Monday morning.
I would say it was almost up to my knees. It was close to 2 feet and couldn't get a car through here.
In Selden, some frustration with the pace of the cleanup.
There's just snowbanks everywhere. None of the roads have been fully cleared. There's a lot of ice. None of the bus stops have been cleared for the kids.
But falling on a weekend gave plow crews needed time to get most roads down to the asphalt, earning praise.
They worked probably round the clock. They made a lot of money, but they did a good job.
In Nassau, too, the dig out is tough for those who waited.
Anything that didn't get down to the concrete is just an inch of ice.
Long Island's first blizzard in 4 years was also life-threatening. A child in Southampton hit by a car while sledding. 2 people died while shoveling in Syosset. A man in cardiac arrest in West Islip. Doctors explain the risk is not only exertion, but also the cold, which constricts arteries.
Oxygen that's supposed to get to the heart is decreasing. It puts an extreme strain on your heart. They actually say that it is a lot more energy to shovel snow than to run on a treadmill.
Serious back injuries are also common.
Always limit the amount of bending that you're doing at the back and try and lift more with your legs because the legs give you more power. That bending, twisting, and torquing, that torquing is where we're the most fragile.
And while shoveling, check your footing. Black ice could cause dangerous falls. And at least here in Suffolk County, could be around for a couple of days. In Selden, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.
Do head over to our website, cbsnewyork.com, for a storm photo gallery along with snow totals around the area. And the CBS 2 First Alert Weather app can certainly be a great resource during storms. Just scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen and you can download the app and you can use it to get real-time alerts about severe weather in your area.
Now